G'day guys, it's Bruce from Supertech Electronics, and today we're going to show you how to remove an amplifier from a Porsche Cayenne. Now the tools you'll need today is a T30 screwdriver and possibly a T30 socket on the end of a wrench. Okay, let's get started. We're going to pull this section off here, which will expose the amplifier's home, and it's held in with 3 torque 30 screws. We'll need to remove all 3 of those before we get the sockets out. Okay, so one is particularly hard to get. That one up there where we're removing right now is the hardest one to get out. So this is where you need the socket. Just persevere, it is doable. Okay, there it is, that's good. And the last 2 are much easier to get. Okay, once the three torque 30s are out, remove the entire amplifier, just slide it out through that gap. Okay, so we're going to remove the 2 sockets on the back of the amplifier. One's got a little pin you press in to remove, just like that, and the other one will just pull completely out just like that. Now that unit is ready to send off to Supertech Electronics for repair. If you like, you can remove it from the bracket and just send the amplifier. We don't need the bracket that it's housed on.